Welcome to tutorial 9. In this video, I'm going to discuss all the questions related to this given question. And then here we have an integral, the integration of x squared times the exponent function raised to x, integrate both of them in respect to x from 0 to 1. So this one requires the knowledge in integration by parts. So I have done the first integration by parts here, okay, and then after that we are going to substitute based on uv minus v du. Okay, we'll get this, and then the next one we're going to do the integration by parts the second time, so that finally we can we can get rid of x. Okay, x into du equals dx, and then substitute it again. Okay, do the calculation, and finally we get e minus 2. And then the second one is cosine x raised to the fifth. Okay, this one is an odd with power odd. Okay, cosine function with odd power. So for odd power we need to use Pythagorean identity, and then we're going to substitute. Okay, we're going to rewrite it as this, and then make it like this, and then substitute it, and then let u equals sine x, hence du is cosine x dx, and then substitute again. Okay, do the integration, substitute u into sine of x, and finally we get the final answer. Okay. And then for the second question is a line integral, okay, to x plus 3y along the x minus 2 times x minus 5. First of all, we need to sketch the curve. Okay, the curve looks like this. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. Okay, and then we need to find the boundary, which is from 1 to 3 in terms of x-axis, and then substitute y in terms of x. Okay, we already set the boundary, and then perform the integration, and we'll get 10. And then for the second one, okay, we need to integrate this integrand, okay, along the straight line curve to x minus 6. Okay, sketch the curve first, and we'll get this. Okay. And the boundary is 0 to 4, hence in terms of x-axis it is 3 to 5. Okay, and then we need to find the dy. We need to find derivative of this. Dy is to dx. Okay, so that we can substitute it into the line integral later. Okay, and then here, okay, we already substituted the value of y in terms, the expression of y in terms of x, and then if we perform the integration we'll get 98. And then for the last question, okay, we are already given a graph with two straight lines. Okay, I'm going to divide it by c1 and c2. For c1 we need to find the equation of a line. If we do it, we get y equals x plus 5. If we find its derivative, we get dy equals dx. And then for the second straight line, okay, we'll get y minus 3 over 2x plus 10, and its derivative is dy equals negative 3 over 2 dx. And then we need to solve both of them. Okay, substitute y in terms of x, and for the first curve we get negative 25. And then the second one, we substitute all of them, all of the y to of need to substitute y in terms of x, and we get 0, hence the total is negative 25. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for listening.